You've been admitted! Congratulations! Now let's get you registered for classes, but first, let's make sure there's nothing standing in your way. A hold is something that can block you from registering for classes. Holds are placed on your account when there's something we need you to take care of, like submitting a form or completing a task. Don't worry, they're usually easy to fix and we'll guide you through it. Step 1. Log into MyMap. Start by logging into MyMap with your BYU Net ID and password. If you're having trouble, double check that your Net ID and password are being entered correctly. If you're still having trouble logging in, contact OIT at 801-422-4000 for help. Step 2. Check for holds. Once you're logged in, you'll be in the Register tab. If you have any holds, you'll see a red yes under the Holds section. Click on it to see what it is. Step 3. Understand and clear holds. If you have a hold, don't worry, each one has instructions to help you clear it. Here are a few common ones. High school transcript hold. BYU needs your official high school transcript. It doesn't have to be final, so you can send it now. Have your school send it electronically or email it to highschooltranscript@byu.edu from their official high school email address. Financial responsibility declaration. A quick online agreement stating that you understand your financial obligations. Easy. Title IX training hold. This will be cleared once the Title IX training has been completed each year. Social Security number hold. BYU needs your Social Security number for tax reporting. You can add it securely through MyMap. Other holds. Some holds come from things like academic standing or unpaid charges. If you see any of these, don't wait, contact the relevant office to get the holds resolved. Once all your holds are cleared, you're ready to register for classes. If you have questions about holds, contact us at contactenrollment.byu.edu.